inside the watermelon. Then the outer skin is remaining. That is white pepper. White pepper usually used in Chinese food, garnishing soup purpose they use. And during the month of November, December, we pluck the tender one also. Tender peppercorn will be used for pickles. This part of Kerala and Karnataka famous for that pickles. This is all homemade hota hai. They supply to the retail shop. Okay. And like coffee plant, this plant also required shade. But recently we have grown this crop because during monsoon season, shade is not required. Otherwise it's required. Okay. So this is a climber. So this is black pepper. So Kerala is producer of this one.
How long does it take to get the
First harvesting within 3-4 years. But the harvesting season starts from February. Okay. Let's go. The berries will come in the top and we pluck that berries and it will be sun dried. For how many days? 40 days. Why 40 days? 80% moisture while plucking. The berries moisture will be 80% moisture content is there. So it has at least 40 days is required. Once the moisture reaches around 10%, we take out the berries from there. Outer husk is removed and nut will be sold in the market. Usually it goes for pan purpose. Pan ke liye jata hai. And even in metal and wood paints also they use this supari. In Hindi they call it supari. Pak in Waka in Telugu. In Kannada we call it adike. Okay. So this is that. And what's the lifespan of this? 60 to 70%. Okay. So at present this is 20 years old. This is 20 years old. Thai chili, in Hindi they call it Gandhari mirchi. If you know a little Malayalam, they call it Kandari Molagu. Kandari Molagu in Malayalam, sir. Yeah. So if you see in India, this is the fourth most spiciest chili. Number one is Bhu Jolakya, which is grown in northeast. After that, Manipur chili is there. Raja Mirchi. It's from, I think it's Assam, that area only. Raja Mirchi. And fourth is this one. Fifth is Guntur chili of Andhra Pradesh. Okay. So why we call this chili as bird eye chili? Because one bird will come and eat this chili. That bird we call as black drongo. Why they call as Thai chili? Thai cuisines frequently use this. Okay. And once we plant, usually we put that seeds. So within 3-4 months, the first harvesting. Very fast growing. And once the chili gets ripened, so you can see small one, but this much bigger it will become. Okay. So once it is ripened, it will turn to red color. Not only red color we have it here. Red is white, yellow and purple. And compared to other chilies, acidity is very much lower. So usually we put in that chutneys, dal tadka, dal fry, fish curry, even in buttermilk also we have this chili. Okay. Do you know what's the lifespan of this plant, sir? 6 to 7 years. At present 1.5 years. And do you know how we measure that pungency of this chili? Through a scale called a Scoville scale. Okay. So this is 50,000 to 1 lakh Scoville units, heat units. Okay. So this is bird eye chili, or you can call as Thai chili. In Hindi they call as Gandhari mirchi. Okay. This is that.